Good morning, everybody. Welcome to MS FITZ'S Adventures. My name is Michael.
And I'm Dione.
And welcome. Today is Saturday. And Dione has to go to work today, unfortunately. So she's out here on the golf course. We're going to sit and chat for a second or two before I'm going to follow her down there and going to...
have lunch?
Maybe. Yeah, I think so. Well, anyways, you're going to have to change, go to work, huh?
Yes.
Well, anyways, to be continued on the Mavic Air. Well, obviously you see that it is working from the beginning videos. Yeah, I went to the library last week to upload the video for last week. That was kind of a crappy video. I apologize for that. It was about the drone. And anyways, so it would not find the controller. So what you do is you turn on the controller, then you turn on the drone, and it's supposed to talk to each other, and when it doesn't do that, it doesn't fly, it doesn't do anything. So I went ahead and went backwards, and I tried to take out everything that was put into it for the firmware, I can't talk, for the firmware. And so I did that by using the hotspot and parking the car out pointed to the mountain last week. Well, I didn't think that all worked, but actually it went back to default settings and I did it there. But like I said, I went to the library Monday. I went into one of their little study booths and I took the drone in with me, hooked the laptop up to the internet, and sure enough, I got online. I took the propellers off the drone so it wouldn't fly in the little confined booth, which was probably a smart idea, just in case. So anyways, I got online and I tried to redo it again, and I figured out everything was fine. I had the right firmware updates on it, and everything was good. So what could it be? So I got kind of frustrated, and I went ahead and typed in on their DJI's website under support and under Mavic Air, and they can actually talk to you Monday through Friday. I think till like 10 o'clock at night or something like that, Eastern or Pacific time. I think it is Pacific time. So I went ahead and talked to them, and the first thing he asked me is what was going on. I explained. Then he said, okay, do you have a SD card in there? I said, yep. He said, okay, take your SD card out. So I took the SD card out and went ahead and tried to connect it in the little booth there. And as soon as I did that and I turned on the remote and I had the drone on, the drone actually did one beep, which it hadn't done before. So it automatically connected, said it was okay, ready to fly, and that was that. So I guess what it is the SD card wasn't formatted, is what he said, which I format all the SD cards when I take them and take all the information off of them and download it into my laptop into a hard drive. I then go ahead and format it. So this one wasn't formatted properly. It didn't take, something happened, I don't know what. So it's all done with and over, and yeah, so we've spent 4 minutes explaining more about what happened, and it was easy fix. So that's that. Yep. So everything's good here. We've got a lot of people, they're starting to leave. I showed you over the park. Up here on the golf course, it's still pretty full, yeah. And down below, it looks like B row's kind of clearing out, and some of the other rows in back of the diner and in back of the little motel here is clearing out. But by the end of the month, I'll take it up again. We'll do another flight around the park. By probably April 1st, April 15th, everybody will pretty much be gone. I'm going to really record anything going down there. So I do want to take you on a little trip that Dione and I made last Tuesday. So we'll do that, I guess. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So the drone's fixed. Everything's good. We'll try to get out better videos. The truck, I keep promising the truck is going to be fixed. I thought I was going to get some money back from the state of California, but I'm not going to get it back from the state of California. But still, we have almost enough money to go ahead and do it. We just have to get the time to take it up to Havasu and then go back and get it. It's only an hour drive, but if they tell me that I can't get my truck, or they're going to take my truck for a couple days, I don't want to sit there for 2 days in Havasu when I have to come back to work. So with work and everything. So we'll see what happens, and I'll get up there, and maybe I can get a rent-a-car. I don't know. We'll see what happens, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but that's fixed. Then we're gonna, sure enough, before summertime hits, do some traveling, and yeah, that's about it.
Yeah.
One thing before I go down to Big Bend, I wanted to tell you that now Sunday it should be nice out. Monday it should start getting cloudy, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday it's supposed to rain. And if the owner says it's going to rain here, it's going to rain here. He's been working on the road getting out, because all that water runs off onto the road with dirt and debris and rocks and boulders and all that stuff. So like we've said many times in our videos, he's been up there, and if he's telling us that it's going to be raining, then it's going to be raining, right?
They're saying an inch.
An inch, yeah. So that's good. Not really, but it's good for the area itself. It's already getting really green, and all the yellow flowers are coming out, and some of the pink ones. I've seen a couple cactuses bloom. So we'll do a video on that in another week or so, when everything gets really yellow. Yeah, and purple.
Purple Urkel.
Well, just, yeah, whatever that said. So anyways, yeah, we'll show you that. Yeah, so I think you need to get ready and go to work, huh?
Yeah.
All right, sorry.
I don't want to go.
I know.
It's too pretty out.
I know. So she's gonna go to work. I'm gonna, I guess, follow you.
Yeah.
And yeah, maybe get a burger down there. All right, guys.
We'll see you later.
See you later. Hey, everybody. Well, look who's here. Dione again. I followed her to work, and we are at Big Bend, and you're gonna go in there and cook a little bit.
Yes.
Till about 9 o'clock tonight, and you'll be home probably about 9:30.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna go in and eat maybe a burger, but I'm not sure yet. I want a burger, but we'll see. So this is Big Bend. Look, people out there in boats. They call it Big Bend because that's where the Big Bend in the river is. This is the Colorado River. Pretty spectacular. All right. See you later.
See you later.
She's gonna go cook me a burger.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. She's too early. She's like 20 minutes early for work. So, anyways, gonna take you shopping if that's okay. Want to go shopping with me? With us? This is no, with us. It's the video from last week that I didn't get to put out.
Oh.
So I'm gonna show you. enjoyed everything today. Enjoyed our video. I know it's kind of boring just sitting here at this park all the time. It's boring for me. As soon as I get the truck ready, like I just said a few minutes ago, then we'll get that all taken care of and we can go out and do more things. But I want to say goodbye to you and thank you for watching. You can write us at msfitz'sadventures@gmail.com, or you can go below and write us on YouTube. Just scroll all the way to the bottom and you can leave a comment there. Just say hello and goodbye, and hey, that's all you got to do. Yeah. And also we're on Facebook now, and that is going to be MS FITZ'S Adventures, and the adventure part, everything is capital except for, let's see, I think the A in adventure is capitalized, but the rest isn't.
It's lowercase.
Yeah, it's lowercase. So then you can see us there. And also on Instagram, we are MS FITZ'S Adventures 2017. So check us out there, and come back and see us next week for more MS FITZ'S Adventures. Thanks, guys, for watching.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Have a good one.